Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be talking about the dark mode in the Poco X2 after updating to the MIUI 12. So recently, the Poco X2 got received the MIUI 12 update, and after the update, there are a few things which got changed in the dark mode, so which got completely better with this new update. And if you did not receive the update, kindly do wait. You will be receiving the update as soon as possible. And recently the update started to come to so many Indian users right now. So do check out my other videos on the Poco X2 regarding the update MIUI 12 related news. So I've done a few videos even on that one as well. So in this video we'll be focusing on the dark mode in the Poco X2. So even you can find the playlist for the MIUI 12 features in-depth reviews, so where I explain in detail reviews about other features as well. So you can find the dark mode in the Poco X2 under the display section. So as you can see, there is a dark mode here. So let me compare side by side with the MIUI 11 version. So you'll actually get to know what is the change we did get with a new update. So it is a display and it is a dark mode. So as you can see friends, by looking at this, without enabling the dark mode, you do get one extra option, which is adjusting the wallpaper to the dark mode theme. So that is a one additional option which is present right now. So once you enable the dark mode, so basically you don't get any other option apart from scheduling, turn on and off. So this is only one option you do get in the previous MIUI 11 model. So right now in the MIUI 12, so what is the new thing is going on is when you turn on the dark mode, so then you will start seeing these two options, so which is individual apps and adjusting the contrast automatically. So first one is the individual apps. So if you tap on the individual apps, so this will take you to the next menu where third-party applications, you can actually enable one application individually if you want. So definitely friends, this is another next level improvement in terms of dark mode. So now you can actually use the dark mode even for third-party applications like WhatsApp, Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram. So there are so many other third-party applications like Amazon and the Flipkart. We don't need it, but they don't have the inbuilt dark theme. But with this option, you can actually force the Amazon application to keep the dark mode. So that is another good advantage as well. So you may not get the clear usage of this dark mode in few of the applications, because few of this dark mode is not customized for the third-party applications, but at least you get that option to select individual applications. So that's a very good advantage here. So next is adjusting the contrast automatically. So in the few applications, if there is any issues with the contrast like text, it's not detecting when in the dark mode. So when you enable this, so all the text and images should look pretty good and pretty neat. So you should not have any kind of issues. So if you are facing any kind of contrast issues with the third-party applications, then it's better to enable this last option. So that's another good advantage here. So overall, we do have the 1, 2 and 3 different options right now, which is installed in the dark mode after the MIUI 12 update. So definitely you need to try this dark mode once you got your Poco X2 running the MIUI 12 latest version. So this is the most interesting feature where you can actually select the individual third-party applications. So this is what I am waiting for a very long time in the Poco X2, where I just want to individual select the applications for the dark mode which I want. So thank you for watching this video. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Techer, and also do check the links in description also for exactly what type of wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones, so which looks fantastic for the punch holes and not just smartphones as well. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.